Okay, so let's make a classic margarita. First thing you're going to need is glassware. So we've got a margarita glass with some ice chilling. Then you're going to want your shaker. So we've got the shaker and we're going to start adding our ingredients. So for this cocktail, you're going to be wanting 60 ml of your Blanco tequila. Tequila. And then you are going to be wanting 30 ml of your fresh squeezed lime juice, and then you are going to be wanting 15 ml of your Cointreau. So that's the ingredients added. Now we're going to deal with the glass. Get rid of that, and we are going to get a little bit of lime, and we are just going to go around the edge, and then we're going to get some sugar, and we're just going to give it a bit of a crust on the edge there. Oh, a few bits. Try to get the make sure you don't get sugar crystals, salt crystals in the glass. There we go. So there we go. We have that. We have that. Now we are going to add ice to the shaker. That's ice added. Now we're going to shake. That's shaken. Now we're going to bring that over. And we're going to double strain into the glass. And finally finish with a garnish of a lime. And there we have it, the classic margarita.